Hi, welcome to my channel, and this is Ray here. Today I'm going to do a review regarding this CNC Q5 tattoo machine. You will be receiving a box with CNC logo, a tattoo machine, a machine bag where you can bring your machine around, and you will get spare parts like the O-ring and the Allen key when you can change your cams. Okay, under the box what you will get, let me show you. Under the box you will see a user menu regarding this CNC Q5 machine, how you're going to operate them, how you're going to change them, and how you're going to clean them. Okay, it also comes with a RCA cable. It's a rubbery wire RCA cable. Is quite good when you do a lot of movement, unlike those plastics or whatever we call it. So before we're going to run a test for this CNC Q5 tattoo machine, what I'm going to share with you what I like and dislike about this CNC Q5. Okay, basically the weight, I like the weight the most. Is only weight 147 gram, which is quite light for big piece or even small piece for long hours. And also you come with 34 diameter grip. What I like about it is you use lesser bandage or things like this for your machine, and it also comes with 1 year warranty, and this also comes with 3.5mm stroke, which most machine in the market right now, and also accept most major brands tattoo needles. So the next thing we're going to try out is on the practice skin today. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to try a 7 round liner today and see how it goes for this CNC Q5 tattoo machine. Okay, so this is our first line. It's pretty light because I have been working in human skin for a long time, and I think it's almost a year since I on practice skin. So let's make it darker and see, is it better? Okay, so we passed the second time and the color is getting better. The ink is getting in to the practice skin. So let's run another line to see if we can do it in one pass. Okay, this is the one pass. As you all can see, it's still not very consistent for the color because I've not been working in the practice game for a very long time. Okay, let's try out the shading. See how well it goes for this CNC Q5 to be shade. For my personal point of view, I've been working with this CNC C5 for almost a year or more. It works very well for me on human skin. I have no problem in shading, coloring, or even soft shading in this machine. Okay, so right now I'm running at 15 meg. So basically, I will go to tune or even shorten the needle. Okay, this is the first try. Let's try the second time. I can say it's so much different when you are working on practice skin compared to human skin, because practice skin, the ink is definitely harder to get in compared to practice skin. So this is the second one that I try, and let's try a good color packing in one pass. Okay, this is how it look like when I go for shading on this practice skin. I feel that this machine is very good for me, from my point of view. You may try it out, or you may purchase it to try it out in CNC official website, or even Amazon or any other shopping platform. Okay, I'm using this green internal. Actually, this green is not original one, which I'm going to share. I'm going to tell in my next video how I think about this, because it's very cheap. It's from China. I usually use this on practice skin, and for the black as well. Maybe because of the ink, the black didn't get in well. In my next video, I'm going to share with you how you're going to find, is it a real products you're buying it, or is it a fake products or China goods. In my next video, I'm going to share with you about tattoo inks from internal. So basically, this is where I end my videos today. If you think my video helps you, you may want to like, comment and subscribe. I will share with you more tattoo videos in my next week session. Thank you.